Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to set up a contest and get it up and running in just a few minutes with WP Contest Creator. First thing I'm going to do is go to Contests, add a new contest. Next, I'm going to give my contest a title such as Free iPad Giveaway. Next, I'm going to set my contest to open so that way new participants can be accepted. I want to also assign a template to my contest, and we already have 18 pre-made templates for you that you can edit or customize if you choose to, and by going to the template builder. But for now, we're just going to leave it at template 1. And if I really wanted to get fancy, I can also set a different template for when a winner is chosen or a contest is actually closed. So that means I can set different page displays, what it looks like and everything, completely customized by that. But for now, I'm going to keep it very simple and leave it as template 1. Next, I'm going to select a featured image, and I've already added some images in my WordPress installation just to show you how this works. And I'm going to insert this into a post. Now my featured image is there, and this image is not only just shown on the contest, but is actually picked up by Facebook and Google Plus and those type of sites when it is shared. Next is going to be the contest headline, so win a free iPad. And then I'm going to give my contest a description. Enter to win a free iPad. Okay, and next I'm going to select the date of when I want my contest to run. I'm going to pick Thursday at 11 a.m. and I want it to finish on Saturday at, let's say, 12:45 p.m. Now I want to go ahead and select the countdown timer, and this is to be more of a psychological effect. It'll be a countdown timer that will increase conversions for you, basically making participants feel like they're in a rush. They have to submit their information now and not wait until later to do it. So I'm going to activate that. Next, I want to go ahead and leave these the way they are, but you have the option to change them and customize them. When a contest has ended, you can show a message before a winner is revealed. So something like the contest is finished, but we're going to show the winner in 2 days or something like that. You also have the option to display the winner when the contest is finished and the winner is announced. And you can put a tag there that will display their email name without the extensions such as Gmail or Yahoo to keep it private for that person. Next, you also have the when a contest is closed and completely finished, you can display a message, maybe redirecting someone to another website or something like that. Now we also have contest rules, terms and descriptions, and disclaimer. In this case, you can use either specific rules here just for this contest, or in the default settings in previous videos that we've made, you can actually set a default contest rule. So I'm going to leave this blank for now because I've already set contest rules by default. Next, we have participant notification. This is basically the email that goes out to every person who enters your contest. So how that works is someone just enters your contest, they get an immediate email that shows them this message here. So you can put this and customize it to whatever you want. In this case, we've already pre-populated it for you when you install WP Contest Creator, and it also comes with some tags that you can use, such as the contest headline and the unique share link. This right here is a very important link to keep in the email because this is what people will share in order to get referrals and make your contest go viral. They're going to get more referrals to this link here and clicks and bring more participants into your contest. So the next step would be to activate a survey. So let's say I want to collect some data about my customers while they're entering the contest. I can say, what is your favorite color? And I can pick red, blue, or yellow. Okay, and these will be randomized in order, and they will also be selectable in the contest, and we'll show you how that looks in just a moment. If I really wanted to get fancy, I can also edit that on what that says and how that works. Next, I'm going to enter an opt-in code. Let me go ahead and grab my opt-in code and show you how that works. So here I have my opt-in code from Aweber just as an example. and it is the raw HTML code, not the JavaScript code. So a lot of email providers such as MailChimp, Constant Contact, and Aweber will give you a JavaScript option and an HTML option. I'm going to paste the entire HTML option in here. It looks like a big mess, but when you actually go down, you're going to see a field called email that's already set by default, and you're going to hit select, and you'll see all the fields that pull in from your code. I want to map it to email and hit OK, and now whenever someone puts their email, it is mapped in the contest, and it will also carry over to Aweber automatically. So that's all there is to it. That's the only setup needed, and it works the exact same for the different email providers. Next, I can also set up a video. If I want to set up a video embed code, a preview image for that video, I can do that here. I can even adjust the height and width of the video, and I can even autoplay the video if I choose to. For now, I'm going to leave this blank just for example purposes. And I'm going to move on to Facebook comments. So I want to activate Facebook comments, and I'm also going to ask a question to my participants. So what would you do with your first new iPad? So if you got a brand new iPad, what would you do with it is the question that I want to engage with my users on my contests on the final screen. And again, I'm going to show you how that looks in just a moment. Next is going to be the overriding of global settings. So let's say I want to set a website that gets displayed. I can go ahead and do that. I can also set a Twitter, Facebook account, and I can also set a Twitter account, a LinkedIn account as well, a YouTube, and Google Plus if I wanted to. For now, I'm just going to leave these items there, and those are going to be displayed to every participant who enters on the final step to help boost and give you some traffic to those links. Now, this part right here is very important, social message title. So you can do something like struggling with social media, win a free copy of this viral plugin, and an iPad 3. And then I can put in something like, check out this cool contest, win an iPad 3. And this will actually be shared on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and all these links that we're setting up here. Next, you can also do SEO and optimization. So page title, meta description, and keywords. If you want to customize that and have those shared in Google or Yahoo or Bing, you can do that. If you don't want those shared, you can just hit override global settings and apply no index, no follow, and no archive, and that will eliminate them from being detected by Google's servers. So next, the final step would be to add some custom JavaScript. In this case, I'm not going to do that, but if you wanted to, you can set Google Analytics in here. You can set GetClicky or any other type of tracking service by simply pasting the code into this area, and just make sure you have override global settings if you're pasting a unique code different from settings on your global settings. Now, what I'm going to do is go back up to the top, hit publish, and now my contest has been activated. It is live. If I hit view contests, you can see the contest is up and running. Now, what we mentioned before, this is the featured image that we uploaded. This is our title, our description, and this is the survey, the first step. So in this survey, I'm going to just select blue. I'm going to hit next. Now it's going to ask me for my email. I'm going to put that in there, and I'm going to hit join contest. And now it's telling me I've entered the contest and it's all ready to go. I can earn more entries for every friend that enters by clicking these large buttons here. And what that does is when they click this button, it will take them to Facebook in a pop-up window. And if you notice, this is a message that we created earlier. So struggling with social media, win a free copy of this plugin and an iPad 3, and check out this cool contest. And this image right here is our featured image, as you can see it on the background there. So you can actually customize what gets displayed and control that and keep that in a controlled environment. Now you can do the same thing for Twitter, and the message will be displayed along with the unique link that they have for referrals. And the same thing for LinkedIn and Google Plus as well. And I won't go through each one of those, but it is pretty cool. You can customize what happens there. And let's say the person does not want to actually click these links, but they want to email it out to a friend or family member, they can copy this link here and get credit for that. And remember those links that we had put in earlier for the website, Twitter, and Facebook? You can actually do that here, and you can see it will link directly to the profile that you have set up. This way you get some extra traffic to those profiles. Here we have our question for our Facebook comment users. So what would you do with your new iPad? And people can leave comments and reply here. And of course, at the bottom, we have the countdown timer. So we can display how many days are left until this ends. And that's all there is to it, folks. This is how you run a contest with WP Contest Creator. Of course, there are lots of options available, and you can get really custom with everything. But for now, that's all there is to it, and we hope to see you as a customer. And if you already are a customer, make sure to check out our training academy, learn how to really customize this thing and get it running and creating leads for your business. Thanks, and see you soon.